How to delete pins on Pinterest. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete pins on Pinterest. Make sure to watch till the end so you don't miss any steps. Let's get started. First, open the Pinterest app on your phone or visit pinterest.com in your web browser. Log into your account if you haven't already. Now tap on your profile picture or icon in the bottom right corner to go to your profile. Navigate to the board that contains the pin you want to delete. Tap on the pin to open it. Here, tap the three dots in the bottom of the pin. From the menu, select Edit Pin. Tap Bin icon in the bottom left corner to delete the pin. Confirm that you want to delete the pin. Deleting a pin is permanent. You cannot recover it once it's deleted. You can only delete pins that you have saved to your own boards. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful guides. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.